What I would like you to do is to rediscover the Tai Chi that's within you already. So find your center. It could be down here, it could be up here, and reach out, open wide, right, with your fingers, and then close back in and come back to your center. Then there is up, reach up to the sky with your fingers, and then settle down back into the earth. Yeah. So there's up and down. Then there is stepping forward, and then there's stepping backward, right? Stepping forward, and then stepping backward. Then there is left, and then there is right. So these are the four basic contrasts in Tai Chi. Not necessarily opposing forces, because when something goes up, something else goes down. Right? When something goes right, something goes left. They're linked. They're working together, not necessarily opposing each other. And so Yin-Yang is about working together, complementing each other, emphasizing one thing for the greater good, enhancing each other. This is coherence and balance in life. There's no more us versus them mentality, and your spirit can be intact.